Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Ryan. I wanted to make you a video because this week might look a little different than the weeks we've been spending in science class. You'll see the assignment topic I have for the whole week. So we have some astronomy related icons, and it says week of 921 through 925, Intro to Astronomy. And I'm going to be listing the assignments for the week underneath that tab. You'll find your attendance question listed by date. Today's 9/21, and then you'll find an attached assignment for 9/21. Be sure to complete your attendance question, come back to your classwork tab, and then open the assignment for that day, 9/21. Now what's going to be different is make sure you read the instructions that are attached to the assignment, and the icon that you see here is our new textbook, and our assignments will be linked through this textbook when we're working in the book. So when you see this symbol, you're going to have to click on that to open the assignments, and the textbook will attach any unit plans that we have right to this book. Now, someone in your family was asked to come and pick up your workbook starting today. If they can't come today, then you can make arrangements for your workbook to be picked up at a different time. When you click this link, it's going to take you into the Savvas website. Our book is called Savvas Realized. So you'll see that you have the date and the name of the assignment. So today's 9/21, day 1, Intro to Earth, Moon, and Sun. And it has instructions. Number 1, open agenda slide. Here's 1. Number 2, watch study jam video. Number 3, take the unit pretest. Number 4, watch a study jam video. And number 5, mark assignment as done in classwork tab. So it's basically what we've been doing, except it's in a different format. So you can see 1, daily agenda. If we click here, it's going to take us to a new location, but it's the same agenda that we've been using. So this says September 21st, 2020. Today we will begin astronomy by taking a pretest. The assignment may look different today. Make sure you turn in your attendance question. Welcome to astronomy. So it's giving you a list of what you're supposed to be doing, and you're going to do those things in this order. Now, in order to get back, you have to leave this tab and go back to where you were. Now, you'll notice you have a blue highlight on the daily agenda. You can't just move across this way. It's a little bit tricky. So what you'll do is you'll go back, and then you'll go to the next part, 2. Space Jam, a day on Earth. So when you click here, it's going to open that video up. It's telling you here, warning, it's going to take you away from here. Just make sure you come back. And then you're going to watch this video, a day on Earth. When you're done watching this video, you just click play video. You go back to the Savvas tab, exit out, and go to the next one. Notice how it's marking it off as you go. So the pretest, it will open up here, and it will take you to a new tab. And I want you to know that a pretest isn't something that counts as a grade. A pretest is a test you take before you learn anything. So you might not know any of the answers, and that's okay. If you don't know, you guess. Just guess. And then I get a good idea of what the students know before I teach, what I have to spend more time teaching on, and then when you take the same test at the end of the unit, you'll have a better grade because I will have taught what you don't know. So don't worry about not knowing the answers. Once you take the pretest, which is a Google form, it'll submit to me. If you want to hear the audio for the pretest, that is going to be located in this tab here. You'll have to open it up. And then you'll come back and you'll do the study jams, gravity and inertia. Now remember, to get these tabs to switch, you have to go back to where this list is to open them. You might want to open them all first. You can open them in a new tab, so you get all your tabs open. in order to start, so you don't have to keep coming back and forth to this location. And then you go back to your classroom, into your classwork tab, and you mark it all as done. Now, of course, I'm going to be on the Google Meet if you have any questions. I hope that was helpful.